Welcome back to Amazing Nature. The next few minutes will take you across storms, oceans, mountains, and skies where nature reveals just how extraordinary it can be.
And then you know where you're going. Holy Jesus Christ!
He came far closer to disaster than most people realize.
Det här är sjukaste jag sett. Det var ingenting så här där uppe. Jävlar, akta bilen! Oh, there goes the rest of the pits.
This wasn't just an incredible view, it was a race against time. As the massive 2018 Iowa tornado grew more violent, the person filming made the right decision to leave before it closed in. As a major port city in Colombia, Barranquilla has always lived alongside the water and knows exactly how powerful it can become. When the Ferrogiano Stream could no longer hold the floodwaters, chaos erupted. Streets vanished beneath 1.5 meters of water, while buses and cars were carried away by the violent current.
Addio, anche il mio motorino, tutte le moto.
Informen, informen!
Nature can change without warning. One moment they were admiring the ice, and the next they were running for their lives. If one gust is enough to knock you off balance, imagine what the rest of the storm can do.
On the roofs! Isn't unbelievable! You got this tractor trailer that's coming! Tractor trailer right here! Oh, shit! Trailer!
He wasn't fighting the storm anymore. He was fighting his own umbrella.
Ciao!
Oh, attention, Mike!
Oh putain! Oh putain!
So, this is what they meant by just the tip of the iceberg.
Un bout, un bout.
Vite, vite, vite. Allez, les enfants, dedans.
Shelves collapsed, furniture fell, and everyone knew there was only one thing to do right. Venezuela endured two devastating earthquakes, first a magnitude 7.1, then a 7.5 within less than a minute on June 24th, 2026. As rescue operations continue, the thoughts of many remain with those affected.
还跨，来会马上跨了，跨了，快点！咋会儿快跑哦！快跑！老子开过了！哇，热你快开跨了！快跑！哇靠！真呀，我好黑人。
If you've never experienced an avalanche before, this footage might be the closest you'll ever get. One of the greatest dangers during a hurricane isn't always the wind. It's the storm surge that can overwhelm entire coastlines. Everything seemed normal on this frozen lake in Alaska until the ice suddenly came alive. You never realize how loud lightning is until it strikes right in front of you. Seeing one water spout is already rare, but four at once over Laguna de Bay is simply extraordinary.
Have you ever wondered where a rainbow ends? Well,
Have you ever wondered where a rainbow touches the ground? This breathtaking scene near Lingato Lake in Tibet might be the closest answer you'll ever see. I can't help but wonder, does it glow in the dark? That would be incredible to see.
We have a freaking tornado. Oh my gosh. I've never seen anything like it. This is insane. Whoa.
A rooftop pool is the last place you'd want to be when lightning begins striking nearby. Standing tall doesn't mean you can escape nature's power. These weren't small boats, they were massive barges, yet the flood moved them with frightening ease.
In the cave, in the cave, in the cave.
Oh my god. That is the biggest I've ever seen.
That's the power of nature. Sometimes all we can do is watch them deal with what's left behind.
अबे चला ले भाई तू यार आगे गड्डी तू भाग रहे देख लाडू सब भाग रहे
Powered by relentless monsoon rains, enormous landslides are ripping the gorge apart, proving that even mountains can be changed by the force of nature. This wasn't a sunrise, it was the electrical grid failing under the storm's immense power.
I don't know what that is.
अरे कच्चा इधर है ना इधर कच्चा है तो भाग जो उधर आ रहे हो मजा आता है
Given enough force, floodwaters can reshape the ground with surprising ease.
हो रहा है फुल्ली बात पानी भटका रही
I've seen fish jump before, but never like this. It's hard not to see the outline of a person reaching above the clouds. The skies over Ontario became the stage for an incredibly rare meeting between two funnel clouds.
That's good. Hey, hey.
It's hard to tell what's stronger here, Storm or his determination. At Burning Man in the desert, the blazing sun isn't the only challenge. Sudden dust storms can sweep through without warning, making masks and protective goggles essential for everyone.
Look at Zoom.
Wow. Whoa. Miren eso. Wow. Wow.
At first glance, it looked like the sky had cracked open, but this mesmerizing cloud formation was simply another reminder of nature's endless surprises.
Yeah.